guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Divya and this video is total different vlog from the other videos. Like it's like a documentation of our final draping project. We took 5 days to complete the stress and it turned out super good. You have to see the procedure behind it guys, and it was like कि a big task because it's like a final project and हमने बहुत कम पूछा मैम को कि कैसे करें and it turned out pretty cool. पहले जाकर first 4 days के vlogs देखो, then I'll tell you what happened on the 5th day. So go watch it. पहले दिन की शुरुआत ऑफ कोर्स पैसे खर्च करने से हुई. वी बॉट मसलिन फैब्रिक जस्ट टू डू अ फिट टेस्ट बिफोर वी यूज मेन फैब्रिक. पूरा ड्रिपिंग सेशन खत्म होने वाला है. वी कांट ट्रस्ट आवर सेल्फ ना, हमसे मैनुकिन संभाले जा रहे हैं इधर एंड वी आर ऑन अ वे to do a final garment and this is a big task we three are gonna do alone. Like ma'am तो help करेंगी but we were not in a mood to do. First thing was mapping, उसके बाद हमने bustier drape किया of course on muslin. We are not that big pros guys. कि सीधा main fabric spoil कर दिया. We are done with the first part और ये हमारा कुछ भी काम नहीं करने वाला. Like we're gonna use it as a drafting chart. उसके बाद we were planning कि हम कैसे करेंगे ऊपर का जो डिज़ाइन ये था. We were planning for that. Mom suggested to practice that on muslin too and उसके बाद हमने कभी इसको use नहीं. And that's what we did in day 1. And for day 2 this was a big task day because जो भी drafting थी हमने उसको main fabric में convert किया. पहले lining and tracing while using carbon paper. This is the worst. I hate this from sem 2 guys, I swear. And I'm in sem 4 and still I hate this. My hate for this is constant. And और कुछ नहीं किया हमने इस दिन बस. And for day 3 and इस टाइम तक हमारे पास थोड़ा submission date आ गया था तो we were actually stitching. We did this bustier lining and उसके बाद main fabric के लिए मेरी friend ने ये dotted fusing का पहले she traced it and बेचारी उसको cut कर उसने वापस उसको main fabric पर चिपकाया and she drafted it. It is the big task guys. Then I stitched it. वो भी 100 बार seam ripper यूज़ करने के बाद. This dotted fusing was very hard to control but this turned out so pretty. This was our first bustier. Then हमने तो जो हमारा inspiration था उसमें हमारे top में थोड़ा drape thing था. Like our top is all about drape so we were trying to do that. We stitched the pleats and जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ मैं create होना ही है and this is how our drape looks like. Actually हमारा मैम ने डिज़ाइन ही चेंज करवा दिया था because she was liking it like this. उसके बाद हमने pin tucks किया इसको. फिर आता है day 3 and this is where we're gonna draft and stitch our skirt. We were so excited because we thought this is gonna be the end of the project. We were so excited. We really thought that the first thing we did was draping. जो lining था वो भी हमने directly draping start कर दिया and we actually grew up guys. We are actually draping directly on the main fabric and this is the worst place. इतनी बार thread निकल जाती है but still I stitched it. फिर हमने एक length decide किया and it turned out so pretty that I wanted to submit it like this but I can't. We are done with our project. Lining के साथ submission करेंगे हमें. And she gonna wear it guys. What is gonna cover Ananda? Jokes aside, we actually started draping on the main fabric और हम इसमें एक slit plan कर रहे थे and while cutting the length of it, I was so scared. After little drafting, this is what we did. We put more pleats and उसके बाद we ordered Subway because हम लगातार 4 घंटे work कर रहे थे and we were so hungry. And guess what? This was my first time trying Subway and I'm never trying it because it had everything which I don't eat. Pickles, kheera and all the things which I ignore usually. So I'm never trying that. That's for sure. So this is the 5th day guys. अभी तक सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. Like we were not doing anything rework. सब कुछ it was like going very firmly but this is the day we actually messed up. हमने बहुत important part mess कर दिया था. जो skirt का thing था उसके ऊपर जो drape लगा हुआ था उसमें हमें we have to put finely pleats but we put it very badly that we have to remove it. Like I already removed that and stitched that dress and उसके बाद पता चला कि ये pleats it's not good. Then I was frustrated. To be fair I was so frustrated. Like I was thinking कि आज ख़त्म हो जाएगा मेरा project and I was like कि अभी मुझे वापस करना. I can't do that guys. I can't do that. Like वो frustration हो जाती है ना जब आपको submit करना होता है and they'll be like कि you have to do it again. I was losing it but I was like कि we have to do this project कर. We removed that thing and my friends helped me with that drape. जो भी finally drape करना था skirt में वो किया हमने and it was time to do stitching guys. And to be fair I couldn't take any of the clips क्योंकि मेरा भेजा एकदम ऐसे गर्म हो चुका था but still my friend tried to take clips because They were actually scared of me. That is so bad that I'm not good at that thing. Like I get so much of frustrated जब कुछ गलत हो जाता है. मेरे मुंह पे लिखा होता है कि don't talk to me guys, you'll be in danger or else. So they helped me a lot, guys. They took these videos. That's so sweet of them. And then आता है zipper की बारी. And we were planning to put zipper at the back. बट क्या हुआ ना, हमने स्कर्ट में ड्रेप ऐसे कंटिन्यूसली कर दिया था बैक में, सो दैट वी कुडंट पुट जिपर. और मैम आकर हमें सब अजीब अजीब से आइडियाज़ दे रही थी जो वी वर नॉट हैप्पी विद. इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गई थी मैं. पहले तो प्लीट्स ख़राब हो गए थे ड्रेपिंग के, देन उसके बाद जिपर का पंगा इतना हुआ. एट द लास्ट वी जस्ट एडजस्टेड द जिपर एट द साइड एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड बट इट टर्न टू pretty. It turned out too pretty, guys. हमारा imagination कुछ अलग था, हमारा inspiration भी कुछ अलग था, but our dress turned out too pretty. It was so freaking pretty. And इसमें हमारा 5 दिन का मेहनत दिख भी रहा है. Like it turned out so good. And this fabric is the worst fabric. इसमें बार बार wrinkles आ जाते हैं and कभी कभी ना इसका look भी ख़राब हो जाता है. Like हमें steam iron करना ही पड़ रहा है उसको बार बार. But at last everything was worth it, guys. हमारा फाइनल ड्रेपिंग का प्रोजेक्ट है ये. I really wish मेरे 2 नमूने दोस्त होते हैं इधर, क्योंकि I really want to talk about our final project with them. But अगर मैंने सोचा तो इन दोनों के साथ मुझे अपना ये व्लॉग एंड करना है, फॉर श्योर मेरा ये वाला भी वीडियो अधूरा ही रह जाता है. सो हियर आई एम शोइंग आवर फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट्स. अगर तुम लोग इधर तक ठहरे हो इस व्लॉग में, then thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe. And let's wait for more draping project जो हम 3 नहीं करने वाले वापस. Okay, bye. Complete. Finally. It took us 4 times crying, 4 times scolding,
4 times गाली भी देंगे.
2 times eating.